Who is my enemy? Is it someone whose opinions frequently contradict mine? Who constantly finds fault with me? Or is it someone who is jealous of me, threatens me for no reason, and takes unfair advantage of me? The list could go on. Human beings were created good, but it is the evil in us due to original sin that triggers rifts in relationships. Only the pure love of Christ can help us look beyond the cause of enmity and reach out in love to those we consider our foes. Pope Francis once said, "How can we love people who seek only their interests and power and do so much evil?" This is the mystery of salvation. With forgiveness, with love for our enemy, we become poorer. But this poverty is a seed bearing fruit for others, as Jesus' poverty became grace for us all, salvation. Indeed, salvation is why we need to forgive our enemies. Salvation for ourselves and for those whom we forgive. It is difficult, but not impossible. Jesus did it. Great saints like Saint John Paul II, Saint Maria Goretti, Blessed Rani Maria, Edith Stein, and many others forgave their offenders, who in turn were saved and transformed. We can also do it, and we are promised a generous reward in return.